Hello CMA students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. So the channel is useful for who have studied the self-study. It will be benefit for you. So let's begin today. If you're new to channel, subscribe button and click the like button. So for more information, today I will bring you postal test papers with all answers. Set number 1, paper 5, financial accounting. So already download the question papers in the already uploaded in the question paper in my YouTube channel. I also link in the descriptions. Please go through that. So watch the videos till the end. Don't skip. Please follow and stay tuned. So let's begin today's our video. So answer the following questions. Section number A. So I will read the question and show me answers in the screen. So please study the. Please bring your partial test papers along with you. It will be understand easily. Download and print out. Already links in the download in description for the partial test papers. So let's begin. So first of all, we see the section A. Answer the following questions. Multiple choice questions. The cost of fixed assets of a business has to be written off overheads dash, that is D, option D, estimated economic life. So we put the selection D is the right answer. So next question, excess of minimum rent over actual royalty is known as short workings. So B is the right answer. So please remember, please compare with the past questions and with the answers of this video. I don't see the question, don't see the answer. I just read them. I don't show the question papers. Why? Because it will be time consuming. It will be confusing. I just read the question and given the answer. That's it. So please compare with your questions. Same. These questions will be linked in the descriptions. Download the printout and practice these answers. So let's continue. So income and expenditure account shows the subscriptions occurred in the beginning of the year and the end of the year was rupees 1000 and 1500 respectively. The figure of subscriptions received appear in the receipts and payments account will be 9500. The option is A. So next detail will be discussed in the latter part of this topic. I just answer the questions here. As per the accounting standard 7, contract costs do not consist of general administration cost. So option D is the correct answer. So option D, we write it. So next, fifth one of the multiple choice questions. Bad debts are apportionate among the departments in the proposal of each department. So option A. So on the note, I will clear the multiple choice questions. So now I move into the match the following, column A and column B. So income and expenditure equal to nominal account, bills of exchange, unconditional order, joint venture does not require a name, single entry system, trial balance is not prepared, ground rent is royalties. So on the note, we completed match the following. Moving to the next category, that is statement of whether true or false. So if first one, a fire insurance policy is taken to cover 4 types of losses, that is false. Bad debts or uncollectible irrecoverable debt or debts, that is true. So transactions are recorded basis in the income and expenditure account, that is true. Depreciation is against profit, true. As per the going concern concept, the enterprises should be continue to exist of foreseeable future. The option is that is true. This statement is true. So I repeat again, as per the going concern concept, the enterprises should continue to exist in the foreseeable future. The option is true. Coming to the next category here, option D, subsection option D on section A. So Mr. Dilli sent the 1000 boxes of costing of 20 rupees each. Consignor expenses 2000, 4/5 of the boxes were sold at the rate of 25 rupees each. Compute the profit on consignment. I repeat the question again. Mr. Delu sent the 1000 boxes to Mr. Kim Kolkata costing rupees 220 rupees. Consignor expenses 2000. 4/5 of the boxes were sold at the rate of 25 rupees each. Compute the profit on consignment. So total boxes sent to the consignment is 1000 into 20, that is 2000. Now profit on consignment is 10 is up. So 1000 into, that is 222,000 into 4/5, that is 800%. Total 4/5 is, that is 800. So we simply said 4/5, that is 80% of goods have been sold at the rate of 25 rupees. So now we will calculate 1000 into, calculate here. So 1000 into 80 into 25, 20,000. So 20,000, that is 20,000. 1000, that is 2000. I speed is plus 2000. So 25 into 4/5 or 4/5, you calculate 1000 into 4/5, 800, okay, into 25, that is 25. So in like this also we calculate this. So I repeat the question. 1000 into 20, first consignor 80, 16,000 plus 2,000, sorry, 1000 boxes sent into 20 rupees, that is equal to 20,000 plus consignor expenses 22,000 into 4/5, that is 17,600. So out of each 4/5 we calculate at the rate of, now we will calculate the rate of 25. So we got 1000 into 5, that is 20,000, that is 17,000, that is here subtracted, we get 22,400. I hope you understand. So next question here, second one. So just copy and clear. Second question, Silver Limited furnishes the following particulars. Debtors ledger include 15,000 due from Datta and Co. Where creditors ledgers include 9,000 due to the Datta and Co. Show the general entry. So creditors ledger account to debtors ledger account 90,000, 9,000, debtors ledger account 90,000. So entry will be due like this. So down. So next question, third one is amount of installment to be paid for 3,000, like this. So just copy the question. So then answer for this. So that is the fourth one of question. So fifth question answer is so section B. So material this question. So study material for second question, section B, answer the following question. So second question, second B, answer like write down this question answer. If any, please write down. Next. So third question here, it is revaluation account. So part here it is revaluation account. So partial test paper, test paper, paper 5, set number 1, third question answer, revaluation account. When we see the capital accounts, so like this we print out the capital accounts. Capital accounts of 3-4 partners. Here goodwill written off 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 to balance brought down equal to goodwill balance partner equal to. So like this, just copy. So if any doubts, comment below. So please write down these questions for answers. So this is the capital accounts. So capital accounts of Mr. A and B. So third question I will repeat show again. So first of all we calculate find out the revaluation account, calculate the open the revaluation account and the balance sheet. So I am due to balance sheet after viewers or capital with capital accounts and balance sheet also. So particulars. So okay, I hopefully understand of the third question. I think I finished the notes. So write down and then capital accounts here like this. Note this the question number 3 finished. So now move into the fourth one. General ledger. First of all, we calculate fourth question A. So in the ledger, creditors ledger and general ledger, creditor ledger. So ledger accounts of this creditors ledger account, adjustment account. So to balance brought down, by balance brought down to general account, general ledger adjustment account. So I hopefully write down. I give okay. So next, general ledger adjustment account. In the creditors ledger, in general ledger adjustment account, write down this. In the creditors ledger. So please remember your margins on that will be benefit for you. Don't like this. I just work out here for understanding purpose only. So two accounts, general ledger account, creditors ledger adjustment account, both adjustment accounting. Just pass and write down each and every problem. It will be benefit for you. So that on the note we finish the question A. Now fourth question B. Discuss the disadvantages of customized accounting package. So this is customized accounting package. So this question refers to institute material on the computerized question. Vendors require. What is the question? Discuss the disadvantages of customized accounting package. Requirements specific or incompleted or ambiguous, resulting in ineffective, incomplete or incomplete system. So bugs may remain in the software because of inadequate testings. Documents may not be completed. Frequent changes made to the system with adequate change in the management procedure may result in system compromise. Vendor may not be unwilling to give the support of the software due to the commitments. Vendor may not be willing to part of source code at the enter index code agreement. Controls may not be. So these questions refer to institute material. So on the note we finish the fourth question A and B. So next fifth question A, in the books of Mahi Limited. So analytical table, write this. Here minimum rent, actual rent, short workings, recouped subsidy and transfer to profit and loss account, closing balance. So students must read the questions and watch the answer, and that will be your understand. This will be practical purpose also. So like this same answer will be coming yourself. So please watch the video completely from just pause and write down each and letters with your handwriting. That will be benefit for you. Just practice. I show you just answers here in the books of Mahi Limited analytical table. So right. So also refers to the institute material. This question, same question refers to the institute material. So after finishing the analytical table, so we move into the short workings account. So short workings account like this. 7,500 will calculate on the Karachi Limited 30th March 2014. So next. Fifth question B. What is meant by depletion? This question. This method is specially used to mines and oil wells, quarries and sand pits and similar assets of wasting a character. In this method, the cost of asset is divided by the total workable deposits of the mine and the following above the manner, and rest of it please refers to this theory question. Shrinkage and lessening and rest of this question will be continue on the just write the paragraph of, and also it refers to the institute material and depreciation part. On the question fifth question B is over. Next sixth question B. So memorandum joint venture of A and B. So like this. Just if any doubts comment below, I will go through that your queries. So ratio will be calculated like this. By sale of motors, cost of motor 35,000 like this, ground rent. Just no need to just study the question and then apply this answer. You will understand easily. No need to get confusion here. So next, general entries in the books of Amit. So bills receivable account debtor to Shavi account. So sixth question, bills like this. So this question will be any doubts refer to the institute material. So like this, the answer will be like this. Sixth question B. So next, seventh question B, branch accounting standard, and the branch of 32,000. So branch by closing stock 24,000. So 820,000 calculated here. Branch stock account by branch adjustment account 62,000. So calculate like this. Any doubts, comment below. I will go through that. So profit and loss account like this. So adjusting trial balance here. So seventh question here we already this is 60,000 branch adjustment account. So hopefully understand. Next, seventh question B. Find out the current total balance. So income and expenditure account. Eighth question A. A will this is so next continue here. So eighth question B. So on the note, we finish these theory questions refer to the institute material. That's the end of this postal test papers set number 1 with all answers. If you like it, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more updates. It will be benefit for you. So if any doubts, comment below. So watch the videos and write down the answers with completely before you understand. If any doubts, comment below. I will explain you. So on the note, set number 1 of postal test papers of financial accounting paper 5 will be clear. So stay tuned for paper 2, paper 5 of financial account set number 2. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for stay safe also, and also stay safe. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe, and stay to my channel for more updates. Any doubts, comment below. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Theory questions, go through the institute material. So first of all, students, remember it. Download the question papers from the institute website, postal test papers, and also my link in the description, also my top postal test papers. and follow and apply these answers. It will be understand easily. If any doubts, comment below. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.